How to redeem gift card on DoorDash. What is up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to redeem a gift card on DoorDash. So the first thing you're going to have to do is access your DoorDash account. Simply tap on it and launch the application. Once you've opened your DoorDash application, you're going to have to find the profile icon at the bottom right corner. So if you guys didn't know, the gift cards that you get on DoorDash let you order food, groceries, or convenience items from tons of different restaurants and stores. So let's just get right into the process. You're going to have to find the settings menu from the Me section, tap on it, and once you tap on the account, you could just go ahead and scroll down until you find the gift card option. Tap on it and it will show you all of the available gift cards that you can purchase in DoorDash itself, like your DoorDash e-gift card, Starbucks gift card, and other stores' gift card as well. Now, in order to redeem it, tap on the redeem icon at the top right. From here, you could just enter the PIN from your gift card and then tap on redeem to your account. Now, once you've claimed your gift card, you can use it on your checkout pages to get certain discounts, or you could get free deliveries sometimes, depending on what the gift card is about. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.